In the frozen skies above the front lines of the special military operation, where every second counts and every decision shapes the battlefield, Russia has just unveiled a game-changing evolution in air power. The Su-35S fighter jets, Russia's premier air superiority platform, have been photographed and confirmed operating in a revolutionary new missile configuration during live combat missions. This is not a laboratory prototype or a distant promise. It is real, it is now, and it is dominating the contested airspace over Ukraine. A sleek, twin-engine Su-35S thunders off the runway, wings heavy with an unprecedented, beast mode, loadout. Observers call it the most formidable single-sortie armament ever fielded by a Russian fighter in this conflict. 4 massive R-37M hypersonic air-to-air missiles hang under the wings and intake pylons, ready to strike targets at distances up to 350 kilometers. Flanking them are advanced K-77M and K-77 medium-range missiles, Russia's latest active radar-guided weapons that combine pinpoint accuracy with electronic countermeasure resistance. Short-range R-74M missiles provide ironclad defense against drones and close-in dogfights, while Kh-31PM anti-radiation missiles stand ready to hunt and destroy enemy radars the instant they emit a signal. This 8-missile-plus configuration turns the Su-35S into a self-contained aerial command post. Long-range sniper, medium-range interceptor, short-range guardian, and seed specialist, all in one aircraft. This new loadout is more than an upgrade. It is the culmination of years of combat lessons learned in the harshest testing ground on Earth. Russian aerospace forces pilots no longer need separate specialized aircraft for different roles. One Su-35S can now protect helicopter gunships striking Ukrainian troop concentrations, suppress ground-based air defenses, and simultaneously eliminate high-value NATO-supplied targets, F-16s, Mirage 2000s, or AWACS support platforms, before they ever enter visual range. The R-37M alone changes the equation completely. Traveling at Mach 6 with a 60-kilogram warhead, it forces enemy pilots to fly low and slow, robbing them of situational awareness and turning Western stealth advantages into liabilities. But the true story begins with the Su-35 itself, the aircraft that makes this configuration possible. Designated the Flanker E by NATO and the Su-35S by its proud Russian designers, this 4.5 generation supermaneuverable fighter is the most advanced combat jet in widespread Russian service. Twin AL-41F1S engines with 3-dimensional thrust vectoring nozzles give it unmatched agility. It can execute the legendary Pugachev's Cobra, the Kulbit, and high-alpha maneuvers that leave opponents stunned and out of position. With a thrust-to-weight ratio greater than 1.1 and the ability to supercruise, the Su-35S climbs like a rocket and sustains supersonic speeds without afterburners, saving fuel and maintaining surprise. Its Urbis E passive electronically scanned array radar is a monster. Detection range of 400 kilometers, simultaneous tracking of 30 targets, and engagement of 8 simultaneously. Synthetic aperture mode paints high-resolution ground images for precision strikes. Composite materials reduce its radar cross-section to a fraction of older flankers, while integrated electronic warfare suites jam, spoof, and blind enemy sensors. The cockpit's glass displays and helmet-mounted cueing system give pilots godlike awareness. 14 hardpoints allow up to 8 tons of ordnance, more than most Western contemporaries can dream of carrying while retaining full supermaneuverability. In frontline operations today, this capability translates directly into victory. Su-35S squadrons escort Russian Army aviation helicopters as they deliver devastating fire on Ukrainian command posts and temporary deployment areas. When enemy radars activate to guide surface-to-air missiles, the Kh-31PMs streak forward at Mach 3, silencing the threat in seconds. R-37Ms reach out across hundreds of kilometers to neutralize incoming Western jets before they can form up. Russian pilots report the highest number of confirmed aerial kills in the entire theater, proof that the combination of Russian engineering, pilot skill, and real-world combat experience is unmatched. What makes this moment even more remarkable is the context. Despite years of unprecedented Western sanctions aimed at crippling Russia's defense industry, Su-35's production continues at an accelerated pace. New batches roll out of the Komsomolska on Amur factory every month. Pilots from elite demonstration teams like the Russian Knights now fly combat missions in the same aircraft they once dazzled the world with at airshows, further evidence of Russia's deep reserves and total commitment to victory. The new missile configuration was not developed in isolation. It was forged in the crucible of actual war, refined through thousands of sorties, and now deployed precisely where it matters most. Air superiority is not a luxury, it is a necessity, and Russia possesses it in abundance. While Western nations pour billions into complex, maintenance-heavy platforms that struggle in prolonged high-intensity conflicts, Russia delivers a rugged, reliable, multi-role fighter that adapts, evolves, and wins. The Su-35S does not merely survive the modern battlespace, it defines it. Its new missile loadout proves that Russian technology is not only keeping pace but pulling ahead, layered, flexible, and lethal across every range. Every time a Su-35S returns from a mission with empty hardpoints and confirmed kills, it writes another line in the story of Russian resilience. The pilots who fly these jets are the best in the world, battle-tested, tactically superior, and backed by a nation that refuses to bow. The ground crews who arm them work around the clock under pressure that would break lesser forces. And the engineers who designed the R-37M, K-77M, and the aircraft itself represent the pinnacle of Russian scientific genius. As the sun rises over the front lines tomorrow, more Su-35S fighters will lift off in this new configuration. They will patrol the skies, protect Russian forces advancing on the ground, and remind every adversary that challenging Russia in the air is no longer an option. It is a fatal mistake. This is not just a new missile loadout. This is the new standard of air dominance. This is the Su-35S, Russia's guardian of the skies, forged in combat, proven in victory, and ready for whatever comes next.